Broccoli and bell peppers are also great sources of vitamin C. And beets are packed with potassium. It turns out we get most of our antioxidants from potatoes. Hi, I'm Dr. Miller with a smart tip for next time you're at the supermarket. Reach for 3 B's: broccoli, beets, and red bell peppers. One study measured the total antioxidant content of almost 30 different vegetables and found that these 3 were particularly high in phenols. Phenols are the disease-fighting plant compounds that can boost artery function and prevent cell damage that might lead to cancer or Alzheimer's. Broccoli and bell peppers are also great sources of vitamin C. And beets are packed with potassium. It turns out we get most of our antioxidants from potatoes, not because they're more nutritious, but because we eat so many of them. So the next time you think about adding a potato side dish to your meal, reach for something made with broccoli, beets, or bell peppers instead. For more ways to nourish your health, watch and share all our smart tips right here.